Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm sharing with you my pencil pouch fillers. I'm sending for boys 10 to 14 and boys 2 to 4. I'm sure many of you have seen these pouches before. I will have them linked below in the description box. I bought them 30 in a pack for $25.99. The price can go up and down a little bit throughout the year. I love all the bright colors. I will be making 24 school supply pouches for the 10 to 14 boy range. Another thing from Amazon, these are great quality notebooks. I bought them for exactly $1 each. They have 48 pages in each book. One thing I didn't realize until I opened them up, there is a saying on each of these notebooks. Everything is going to be all right. So that was a fun surprise to find. The colors are so fun on these notebooks. While I'm making up my notebooks, my twin girls are going to write "God loves you" in each notebook. No names though, because we don't want to take away from the integrity of the shoebox. So right there, they will be writing the little message. I also picked up some note cards from Dollarama for $1 each, and I will be putting some in each pouch. I got this great idea from Denise over at D. Rogers. It's a great and inexpensive way to add more paper in. And then here is the pencils and the pens. These pens have a piece of dried glue on the tip. Each pouch will get a fun pencil topper. This one is a camel. And then 3 pencil cap erasers. My favorite pencil sharpeners, amazing quality, stainless steel, German blade. Even the plastic is sturdy. I looked the price up yesterday on Amazon and they were down to $9 for 24 of them. I paid $12 for 24. I will have these linked as well. And for a fun item, they will get a slide whistle or a party horn. And then each notebook will get 2 skateboard stickers in them for them to use however they want to. I love my skateboard stickers, and these are destination ones. So now I'm going to pack a couple of these on camera while my girls write the message and put the stickers inside. I'm putting 4 regular pencils in along with a pen, 3 eraser caps, and a fun pencil topper. I'm trying to decide which sharpener is a better coordinating color for this pouch. A party horn, and I'm adding 3 fun colored pencils. A good size eraser. I'm now realizing I need to put the party horn at the top of the pouch. Here is the 48-page notebook with stickers and the message. Again, we did not add our names. And then some colorful note cards, as well as regular white. Now I add the party horn at the top. This can lay pretty flat, so it should fit in almost any box. All right, one more to pack for the older boys on camera. Once again, the pencils, a pen, colorful pencils, a fun pencil top, and eraser pencil tops. I thought the green was yet again another good coordinating color for this pouch. Note cards. This is a fun thing to do with your kids or grandkids. Great for making memories. I love the color on these notebooks. Even this tan color is so pretty. A chunky eraser. And I thought the gold horn went really pretty against the black. And we will keep doing this until we get 24 done. Now onto the toddler boy school supply fillers. These pouches are awesome. They will be linked. They are from Amazon. Anything inside of these rainbow pouches will be protected. Very, very durable. They came in a pack of 12, and I will be making up 10 pouches for the boy 2 to 4 age range. While my twins unpack the rest, I'll show you what we are putting inside. Each pouch is getting a pencil gripper with their pencils. I'm also adding in a couple pre-sharpened pencils because they are getting a Dollar Tree sharpener and just one of them. They will get 2 markers. These are Crayola and from the Dollar Tree. The sharpeners and erasers are from the Dollar Tree. For a fun item, they will get either a stencil, a whistle, or party horn. I will be adding felt stickers to each pouch. These will be a good sensory item as well. And the little crab is so cute. And here I'm adding in the pencils as well as a pre-sharpened pencil. I also add in a little pre-sharpened pencil as well. My daughter is helping by putting the markers inside. And these stickers came from Michael's. Alright, it's the next morning and I wanted to show you how I ended up packing my toddler school pouches. Now this is the box that I'll be packing, or that I will be keeping my 10 to 14 boy pouches in. I discovered that some of the felt stickers could fit inside of the sharpener, and then the rest I just put on the back side so that it could make the box even more fun. Now I discovered that with the round Dollar Tree erasers, they fit perfectly inside of the round sharpeners. So all of my pouches that have the round erasers, this is how I ended up packing them. And you can even fit some felt stickers underneath it as well. And I also found that putting the thick sharpener at the bottom along with the markers just worked better. And there's that little pencil that's pre-sharpened. Some of my pouches got the mini composition notebooks along with note cards, and then some got this one with the 80-page sketch pads that I get at Dollarama, and they also have note cards in them. So yeah, I was really pleased with how neat these toddler pouches ended up looking. And once again, my older boy pouches. I love how bright and colorful these pouches are. I put a lot of note cards in. And again, I'll have all the links for these items down below. So this is the box that I'll be keeping my boy 10 to 14 pouches in, and I will put my toddler pouches in their own separate box. I just have to get another box. Thank you so much for watching us pack these filler school supplies, and I will talk to you later.